What's up, shoe care superstars? My name's Nick, and today I have a special announcement from the team at RESHOEVN8R. During the month of July, we are doing a $20,000 sweepstakes giveaway, where one lucky winner is going to receive the prize of a lifetime. Now, included in this whole entire prize package, to start off with, is going to be an all-inclusive trip down here to the RESHOEVN8R headquarters, where you're going to get the chance to get your very own Vick Almighty custom.
That's right, designed by you, made by me.
That's right, guys. You can take a Jordan, you can take an Air Max, you can take a Dunk. It doesn't really matter what shoe you want. Vick Almighty, he's surgical with it. He's precision craftsmanship. He's an expert when it comes to taking many shoes and putting it into one shoes. Taking a bunch of hats, making shoes out of it. Taking a bunch of scraps out of the scrap bin, making shoes out of it. You want to put lights and light up and the other stuff that happens in your shoes? He can do that. You want to take some custom lost and founds and make them look like some samples from 1985? He'll do that for you too. It doesn't matter what you want. The only limitation is your imagination. Vick Almighty will take whatever you design and he will craft it into the custom sneaker of your dreams. Next, we're gonna give you $6,500 in cash money. We're also gonna give you 2 different gift cards to 2 separate sneaker stores in the Valley here. First, we got $1,000 to Many Worlds. It's next door to RESHOEVN8R headquarters and it's our sneaker boutique as well as clothing and apparel line. You get $1,000 to buy whatever you want over there. Next, you're getting $1,000 in a gift card as well to our friends over at Guestlist. They again have a bunch of sneakers, a bunch of clothes, hats, belts, bags, accessories, you name it. So you can definitely find something from there. Next, we're gonna make sure that you leave here in style with all of the RESHOEVN8R luggage. We got the RESHOEVN8R Let's Go backpack, holds a bunch of sneakers, clothes, all of the things you need for weekend travel, as well as the big RESHOEVN8R roller luggage. This thing holds everything you can need for like a month at a time. I don't know, it holds like 6 pairs of shoes, depending on what size you are, 5 to like 14, as well as a bunch of clothes and other things all inside of this bag. We're gonna make sure you go home with that as well. Also, we're gonna make sure that you can display all of your sneakers at home as well as your brand new Vick Almighty custom in style. We're giving you 10 of our RESHOEVN8R drop front clear sneaker cases. This way you can display all of your sneakers at home with pride. Also included in this, we're gonna get you a whole bunch of RESHOEVN8R products so that way you can make sure that any of your shoes at home, as well as your new Vick Almighty custom, is definitely able to be taken care of, clean and protected, and elevating your shoe care by using all RESHOEVN8R products. Now, entering the sweepstakes is super easy. All you have to do is go to RESHOEVN8R.com and purchase anything. It doesn't matter if you want to buy sneaker wipes, if you want to buy an executive kit. Every dollar you spend gives you 1 entry into the sweepstakes. Now, also make sure you're following all of the RESHOEVN8R social channels. That's from Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. I'm sure there's probably more. I don't even know all of them. That's how many we have. Because we're gonna give you other multiple opportunities to win bonus entries. That's right, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times points on certain days, and each of those days will roll out over on our social platform. So make sure you're following along at RESHOEVN8R on every social platform, so that way you get extra entries into the sweepstakes. Thanks a lot for hanging out for this video, guys. I know it's something a little bit different. We didn't really clean any shoes, but we're giving you guys all the chance of a lifetime because we appreciate each and every one of you for all the love and support you've shown us over the last 13 years. So that's why we're doing this giveaway and sweepstakes for you. So make sure you shop online at RESHOEVN8R.com and get your entries in for this sweepstakes. Thanks a lot, guys.